A large-scale home renovation is an exciting journey, but the fear of hidden costs can quickly cause anxiety. A rock-solid budget is your best defense against financial surprises. The very first step is defining a crystal-clear scope of work. Knowing exactly what you want down to the last detail prevents costly changes once construction actually begins. Separate your project into absolute needs and optional wants. If the budget gets tight due to an unexpected structural issue, you know exactly which luxury upgrades to comfortably cut. The golden rule of remodeling is the 20% contingency fund. Always set aside 1/5 of your total budget specifically for the hidden surprises lurking behind your drywall. Those hidden surprises almost always involve vital structural systems. Be prepared to discover outdated electrical panels, non-compliant plumbing, or hidden water damage that must be brought up to modern code. Do not forget the hidden cost of displacement. If you are gutting the entire house, you need to budget for storage units, eating out, or securing a temporary apartment. Select your materials and finishes before signing a contract. Relying on basic material allowances often leads to blown budgets when you finally go shopping and fall in love with premium fixtures. Beware of scope creep. The phrase, "while you are at it," is the fastest way to drain your bank account. Stick strictly to the original plan to maintain financial control. Secure your financing and establish an absolute spending ceiling early. Knowing your hard limit prevents you from making emotional purchasing decisions during the stress of the design phase. Finally, rely on detailed, professional estimates rather than guesswork. A reputable contractor will provide a comprehensive breakdown so you know exactly where every single dollar is going before demolition starts. Plan your dream renovation with absolute financial confidence. For transparent pricing and expert home remodeling services, visit bvcontractors.com or call us at 479-903-1630.